Hi guys, how are you all? Today I share to you all. It is very interesting topics. Today I explained how does insurance work. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Let's go. How does insurance work? the most basic the most basic principle behind the concept of insurance is risk pooling. A large number of people are ready to get insurance against certain loss or damage, and for that they are ready to pay the deserved premium. Okay, I can give my next video for details. Okay, thank you.